concept of Internet. The Internet is a linking of many computers all over the world by using devices called routers and uses common protocols known as TCP/IP, that is Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. The primary purpose of the Internet is sharing of information and communicating with remote PCs. The Internet is not a single centralized system to which we can pay for. In fact, there are some Internet service providers, ISP, to whom we pay periodically for getting the Internet services. In the past, most of the ISPs, that is Internet Service Providers, were run by telephone companies, but nowadays, even some private groups who have sufficient money and expertise can be the ISPs. BSNL is India's #1 Internet service provider. The above example shows the typical setup required for getting the Internet working at your place. We can access the data in remote machines using Internet through browsers. A web browser is called a client-side program that allows users to read hypertext documents on the World Wide Web. The most popularly used web browsers are Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Apple Safari, Opera. Note, above-mentioned web browsers are of respective vendors. The web page is a document on the World Wide Web, www, and using web browser we can access various web pages. The web pages are stored in a computer called a web server. That is, the host computer is capable of providing information to other systems is called a server. The website is a collection of many web pages. User can browse these web pages using web browsers by typing the link address in the address bar. In the web pages, the hyperlinks will appear. The hyperlinks are underlined and colored phrases which are associated with some control link. There are many tools used in the Internet to make sharing of information success. Some of them are World Wide Web, www, File Transfer Protocol, FTP, and email. World Wide Web, www. www is a collection of Internet sites that can be accessed using hypertext. Hypertext is a text that contains links. While clicking that link, user may be directed to the related page. It may contain pictures, sound, video, animations, etc. www document can be created by using HTML language, that is Hypertext Markup Language. Links between documents can be done by hyperlink. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is used to transfer a document. The home page is starting or index page of all the web pages which can be assigned as the default. If a system with a web browser is installed, then it is called client system. The host computer, which is capable of providing information to other systems, is called a server. It requires special software to provide the requested web document to others.